Here's a pro tip that changes everything. Use the same piece of audio every day for 1 week. Repetition is the mother of skill. When you listen to the same clip on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, your brain moves from trying to understand to predicting the next word. That is where fluency begins. Step 2, the imitation phase, 2 minutes. For the next 2 minutes, we stop listening and start doing. This is where we bridge the gap. You're going to take phrases from that audio you just heard and speak them out loud. This isn't about memorizing, it's about muscle memory. Speaking is a physical act. Your tongue, lips, and jaw need to learn how to move in English. Mimic the speaker exactly. If they go high in pitch, you go high. If they speed up, you speed up. It might feel weird talking to yourself, but this is the secret to how to speak English fluently and confidently. You're teaching your mouth the choreography of English so that when you need to speak in real life, your muscles already know the dance. Step 3, the personalization phase, 2 minutes. Now we move to step 3. This is the step most people skip, and it's why they forget what they learn. You need to personalize the information. If the audio clip you listened to said, "I wake up at 6 a.m., but you wake up at 9 a.m., your brain will discard that sentence because it's not true for you. You need to take the structure and make it your own. Change "I wake up at 6" to "I wake up at 9" or "I never wake up early." By connecting the English grammar to your actual life, you're tagging that information as important in your brain. This effectively turns passive vocabulary into active tools you can use. This is the core secret of how to stop translating in your head. You stop treating English like a code to be deciphered and start treating it as a way to describe your own reality. Step 4, the flow phase, 2 minutes. We are 6 minutes in. The next 2 minutes are for free speaking. Put down the phone, close the notes. Just speak. Talk about what you see in the room. Talk about your plans for tomorrow, or recap what you did yesterday. The topic doesn't matter. The goal here is flow. Do not stop to correct yourself. If you make a grammar mistake, keep going. If you can't find the perfect word, use a simpler one. We are training your brain to bypass the internal editor. You want to build the pathway between your brain and your mouth so that it becomes a highway, not a rocky road. It will be slow at first, and that is okay. We are chasing continuity, not perfection. Step 5, the reflection phase, 2 minutes. The final 2 minutes are for reflection. This is where we solidify the gains. Take a moment to think about the practice you just did. What felt easy? What felt like a struggle? Did you get stuck on a specific word? You don't need to write a generic essay. Just become aware of your own level. This brief period of self-reflection helps your brain organize the data. It prepares you for tomorrow. It closes the loop. Now, before you go and start this timer, I need to warn you about 3 traps that kill progress. Trap number 1 is inconsistency. If you skip a day, you aren't just losing time, you're losing momentum. Even if you are incredibly busy, do 5 minutes. Do 2 minutes. Just don't do 0. Trap number 2 is perfectionism. Waiting until your grammar is perfect before you speak is like waiting until you are strong before you go to the gym. It doesn't work that way. Speaking is messy. Embrace the mess. Trap number 3 is boredom. If you are practicing with topics you hate, your brain will shut down. Practice with topics you love, your hobbies, your dreams, your passions. Emotion is the glue that makes memory stick.
Conclusion. This method isn't magic, but it is magical in its results. It's 300 minutes of focused speaking practice a month. That is more than most students get in a year of traditional schooling. Start today. Set that timer. Listen, imitate, personalize, flow, and reflect. If you found value in this routine and want to keep lighting up your path to fluency, please hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm. And don't forget to subscribe to English Glow for more strategies that actually work. I'll see you in the next video.